Okay, hi. So we are let's check we're recording. Okay, we're recording. Okay, so we are gonna try and format this line chart now. Yeah. So we have split this line chart earlier. I've taken away the area and the stack chart. We have just gone back to a normal line chart now. Area and stacked area chart, sorry. Yeah, and we've gone back to a normal line chart now. So this is the line chart. Okay. So as usual, when you want to format the paintbrush with your friend, you click on the paintbrush and we can see a lot of things that we can format. So this time around, I'm going to start from the top, yeah. So I want to settle the title first. I'm not too fond of this title, value by year and level. It doesn't give a, it doesn't let me understand quickly what this view is about. So therefore, let's go to the title. And then let's change this. We will change this to water sold, yeah, or water quantity or water sold by year and type. Okay, so I'll change this to water sold by year and type. All right, so that's what we type here. And in the later part, we want to make the font size a bit bigger. Yeah, since it's the label, it's the main label, the title, which is the main label. So I want it to be bigger. So I'm putting in a size 38, and I would prefer a bit more of a jovial font to this. Yeah, so you're free to play around. I prefer Comic Sans MS. Yeah, so it looks a bit nicer. Yeah. Okay, so this is how can format the title. So we're done with the title now. Let's go and settle the legend and a lot of other things. Okay, so now the legend is here, right? Yeah. Okay, so we wanna try and edit the legend. Now the legend we can change the position and so on. Instead of level 1, which is not a meaningful name, we're gonna say the legend is with the word type. Okay, so when we see type here and we look at type here, we see type. What does this type mean? And then I can see the legend here pointing out the 3 types here. Right, so that's how I'm trying to link this to. So water sold by year and type. So what is type? Yeah, water sold, I understand, right? You're selling water by year. So I believe it's the quantity and type. This type here. So when I look at the type here in the legend, we can see that these are the 3 types of sales. Right? Okay. So we take that and then we are gonna push the font size of that to become maybe 22. Smaller than the title, but big enough to be seen. Yeah. Okay. So we have sales of industrial water, new water, and potable water, and the 3 colors actually point to the 3 different lines here. All right. So we have the legend settled. Now we have the axes, right? The 2 axes here. These are the harder to read ones. Yeah. So you have x-axis and your y-axis. The x-axis, I say again, just to remind ourselves, is the horizontal. Yeah. X is horizontal, y is vertical. Yeah. Or you can just look at this word y. Yeah. Okay. You see the leg in the middle, right? The line in the middle is going down from top to bottom. Yeah. So just think of that as the vertical. Yeah. This is the vertical. Y. Y has a vertical line, right? The letter Y has a vertical line. Yeah. So therefore it's vertical. Okay. So let's settle the x-axis first. So in the x-axis, we can choose the font size again. I'm going to put this to maybe about 18. Yeah. So that we can see all the different years here clearly. Yeah. Okay. And that's about it. Maybe I can change the font family to Comic Sans MS as well. So the entire chart sticks to one type. Okay. And then y-axis to font size of, sorry, what was the x-axis size? I forgot. 18. Yeah. Okay. Y-axis. Yeah, here. Okay. 18. Yeah. The y-axis is also 18. But on second thought, I was thinking maybe we can try and do away with the y-axis totally. Yeah. So instead of trying to read from the y-axis here, I was thinking if we label the data points here. So this is a data point in 2011, this is a data point in 2012, data point in 2013. So if we could do that, so if we could use these data labels here, you see, this will also give the numbers right on the dots itself, so that we can see the numbers running through easily. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to push this to maybe about 16. Yeah, so that's not too big, maybe 14. Yeah, I don't want these numbers to jump out at people. I want them to, the real thing I want to jump is the trend. Yeah, so the size is of this maybe even smaller, 12. Okay, so the numbers are here and Comics NMS. Yeah, so we can see the trend easily, but we can see a small change here. So 517 dropped to 499 and 496, right? So this is the downtrend, but new water has been on the uptrend. Yeah, 127, 140, 141. Yeah, whereas the industrial water is fluctuating. The sales of industrial water is fluctuating. Yeah, from 23, 25 to 20, 21. Yeah, so it's going up and down. All right. Okay, so this is what we can see, and now our chart is quite legible. We can actually see what is what and where is where. Yeah. Okay, so I hope this gives you an insight on how to format your line charts.